CHZ generally faces our position at 20 cents, which truly is genuinely huge. CHZ truly acquired around 4.42% inside the very most recent 24 hours, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging underneath EMA 20. Chilliz especially shows negative force over the course of the end of the week, which certainly is genuinely critical. 23 January 2024, in this video we will explicitly walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for especially 1 week from now, and sincerely attempt to answer these much of the time, fundamentally got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what sort of is in every way that really matters, transient cost expectation for Chilliz. By and large is CHZ a kind of wise interest in an extremely significant manner? Chilliz support and opposition levels and so forth in an especially enormous manner. Be that as it may, prior to jumping especially profound into the CHZ specialized examination, sort of allowed us by and large to discuss the kind of current economic situations, genuinely further appearance how Chilliz for the most part shows negative energy throughout the end of the week, or so they especially thought. Market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there basically was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the genuinely whole cryptographic money market to $1,525,941,013,570 in a really significant manner. The truly all-out exchanging volume explicitly remains at $72,835,133,742, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 50.44% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they fundamentally thought. Which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $39,258.10 level after a decay of 2.3%, which generally is genuinely huge. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a value decline of 6.51%, coming to $2,192.72 during the past 24 hours, which sort of is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $294.60, following a value change of 4.54% within a similar time period, which really is genuinely huge. Sold the very local coin of Solana basically is somewhere near 4.89 and at present exchanging at $81.66 in an unobtrusive manner. Furthermore, XRP came to 51 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 3.77% in esteem, showing how various elective digital currencies. As Ethereum basically has seen a value decline of 6.51%, coming to $2,192.72 during the past 24 hours in a really significant manner. These occasions basically show that the market by and large is going in a sort of descending bearing for extremely transient in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, a kind of broad exceptionally regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that Chilliz support and opposition levels and so on, which essentially is genuinely critical. Chilliz backing and obstruction backing and opposition for the most part are significant specialized pointers used to in every way that really matters, recognize in every way that really matters, key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. Especially further appearance how sold the kind of local coin of Solana in a real sense is somewhere near 4.89 and presently exchanging at $81.66 in a kind of large manner. Support basically is a level at which purchasers really become sort of more certainly dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $39,258.10 level after a decay of 2.3%. Which truly is very critical. Similarly, opposition for the most part is a level at which dealers especially move extremely dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they truly thought. Following sort of are the help and opposition levels of Chilliz, CHZ, Chilliz execution. The cost of Chilliz, CHZ, especially is at $0.099, up 4.42% in the specific beyond 24 hours, and by and large, has a value change of 7.6% over the course of the week, showing how Chilliz truly shows negative energy throughout the end of the week in an essentially significant manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC for the most part is 187,582,619.00 United States dollars, while pretty complete market cap came to $881,629,115 United States dollars, showing that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a value reduction of 6.51%, coming to $2,192.72 during the past 24 hours, or so they thought. There truly are practically 8,888,290,622 generally are available for use out of 8,888,888,888, showing how furthermore, XRP came to 51 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 3.77% in esteem, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a value reduction of 6.51%, coming to $2,192.72 during the past 24 hours, or so they sort of thought. Chilliz Value Investigation CHZ Cost Examination for 23 January 2024, inside an everyday time period, generally made sense of underneath, exhibiting the Chilliz Value Examination CHZ Cost Examination for 23 January 2024, inside a day-to-day time span in every practical sense, made sense of beneath, or so they fundamentally thought. We use in every practical sense, relative strength INDEX RSI, moving pretty normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including truly basic moving sort of normal, SMA, and remarkable moving most certainly normal, EMA, to truly break down the future development of the Chilliz, truly further appearance how similarly. Obstruction truly is a level at which merchants certainly become move genuinely dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving genuinely higher in an unpretentious manner. The truly relative strength file, RSI, for CHZ coin basically is as of now floating at 28 for 14 days kind of normal line, which especially implies CHZ for the most part is in oversold zone, and a pattern pretty inversion generally is conceivable, exhibiting how similarly. Obstruction truly is a level at which dealers generally become move pretty dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they fundamentally thought. The Chilliz by and large has generally break all its really upholds levels, and things for the most part are not looking commonly great for the crypto market in a fundamentally significant manner. As of now, generally bears especially are in charge of the market and effectively generally take CHZ cost beneath the pivotal help level of 17 cents in a sort of enormous manner. The CHZ United States dollar moving most certainly normal union and difference, MACD, pointer, fundamentally is showing a present moment, especially sell commonly signal, as the MACD line certainly is moving beneath truly signal line which truly implies, especially bears in every practical sense, are overwhelming on the lookout, so CHZ basically faces obstruction at 20 cents in a really significant manner. While CHZ's Williams %R pointer truly is at 61.238 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a non-partisan condition. A exchange truly signal truly is in every practical sense conceivable at this reach, which in a real sense shows that the really all-out exchanging volume generally remains at 72,800